Hello, this is a tutorial on 5.5a2. We'll be multiplying fractions here. All right, so first thing we want to look at is just the basic multiplying of fractions. You could just multiply straight across if you want. 6 times 3 is 18. 8 times 12 is 96. And then you can reduce from there. Well, probably there's other numbers, but you could probably even just start by reducing by 2. You could get this down to 9. 96 divided by 2 is going to be, let's see, 48. And then, well, you can't divide them by 2, but you could divide them by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 48 divided by 3 is 16. So you could get that down to 3/16 because you have to express your answer in simplest form. Or you can cross-reduce. I like cross-reducing because this whole process here, I'm not a fan. So I look to cross-reduce. I can't do anything with the 8 and 3, but the 6 and the 12, I can divide both of those by 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. And now I multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. 8 times 2 is 16, and I've got my fraction in simplest terms, the same fraction. All right, so I'm going to show you the cross-reducing piece because it's certainly easier to work with those numbers. Some people call it the butterfly thing because you're looking both ways. I usually don't circle, but I'll start by doing it just so that you can see. So in this one, I can't do anything with 1 and 5, but I can divide this number by 2. It goes in there one time. I can divide this number by 2. It goes in there twice. Multiply across. 1 times 2 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 5 on the bottom, this is 2/5. Okay, let's take a look here. This one here, again, I can't do anything with 2 and 9, but I can do something with 7 and 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 9 is 9. 2/9. Bam. Okay, look here, can't do anything with 4 and 7. You can cross-reduce here between 2 and 8. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Multiply. 1 times 7 is 7. 4 times 4 is 16. 7/16. Isn't it easier? All right, I'll do a couple more. I'll just jump down here a little bit. So I'm just going to divide by 2. It goes in there twice. Goes in there 5 times. 8 times 2, 16. 5 times 7, 35. Okay. Look at number 10. I got nothing. I can't do anything with 7 and 1. I can't do anything with 5 and 3. That one I just have to go straight across. 5 times 1 is 5. 7 times 3 is 21. All right. So sometimes you can do it. Sometimes you can't. Sometimes you can do it both ways. Cross-reducing both ways will often happen when fractions are not in simplest form. So neither of these fractions are in simplest form. So I could reduce top to bottom, or I can reduce side to side, or I can do both. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Multiply straight across. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 3 is 15. All right, good luck.